Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Nothing happening last week. Looks like the same to start this week. Just chill. Guys, I keep telling you, you have to chill. Think about what we did Friday. We did some 20-cent and 30-cent trades. That's it. And just buying a couple of them, just relax. Tesla downgraded every single day. Why are you forcing a trade? Every single day. Microsoft down 20. It's down 20. Adobe down 40. It's down 40. Everything is going down. Now, this week, you have the fireside chat with Jensen Wong talking at Snowflakes. So it's a Snowflake run. Snowflake has to guide up. He's been very reluctant to guide up. If he doesn't guide up, it will crater a ton of techs for tomorrow, okay? If he guides up, everything moves. But this week, you got to watch. If Microsoft doesn't lead, everything goes lower. If NVIDIA doesn't lead, everything goes lower, okay? Doesn't mean that they're bad. Just means it's crazy right now. So just chill and wait. Chill and wait, chill and wait. Think about what's happening today. Mongo database got to upgrade to 398. This thing's at 390. So that means the analyst is telling you it can go up 8 points, and who knows how far down. Why would anybody buy it? That's like a stupid upgrade. It's stupid. Makes no sense. Okay? So all this stuff, you just got to chill. Things have come a long way, but they're way down. SMCI was at 270. You know, it's got earnings estimates of $11. Is it real? I don't know. But you got to chill. You got to wait. You got to relax. And then as soon as this gets really good again, we start attacking with huge amounts of play. We bought Netflix, but we didn't buy a lot. You know, bought 100 of them, 150 of them. So not a lot, okay? Today, so Netflix is doing some really, really bad stuff, guys. I know a lot of people that travel a lot for their job, and it's saying you can't log in. It's saying you've used up your stuff. Really? You can't make this stuff up. But here's another thing. So their base price in California, they're raising that. Think about what they're doing. All these places, all these streaming places, now end up costing you as much as if you had regular cable. All they're trying to do is make more money, okay? And they're going to pay the eternal price over time because when the growth stops, they're going to get pulverized, okay? They're going to get pulverized. They went from let's make $1 or $2 on a subscription to let's make 90%, okay? Now here's the thing. So let's say you had a $16.99 subscription to Netflix, which is more than the basic one, right? And you had 4 logins. But nobody lives with you anymore. Now, people were using them. Maybe 3 people were using them. Okay? But now, so they have to add a new one. But can you go down to the $10.99 one? I think so. So you're actually only going to make $1 more, and you're doing all this checking and all this garbage that they're doing. Okay? And let me tell you, when people get aggravated, they leave. They leave. Okay? And let me tell you, people are losing their business because they don't have any common sense. And we talked about this I talked about it last night on Twitter, is AI is changing the world. But you got CEOs out there saying they're not investing in an AI yet because we're not positive it's going to change the world. Think about that. So let's go to the Eastman Kodak thing. And this is the eternal thing that everybody should look at. A guy created the digital camera. He went to Eastman Kodak. And not just Eastman Kodak. You're talking, there are 12 board of directors. These 12 people that get paid hundreds of thousands of dollars in stocks for doing nothing. Most boards, the Google board, the Tesla, they don't do shit. They get up, there's a document, they read it on the plane on the way there, and then they never say a word. 90% of board members don't do shit. Okay? Okay, so just remember that. So, the board members at Eastman Kodak all see that there's digital camera. And they get into the room, and I don't know who, I wasn't there, so I don't know. But obviously somebody says, we're a film company. We don't do digital. We need to kill this product. Let's go kill a product. Do you think they can do that? Do you think they can kill AI? They can't. It's really that simple. That means any CEO that's saying it's not real pretty much is going to go to zero. Their stock is going to go to zero. It will. Just like Eastman Kodak went to zero. They're nothing. Think about that. 60,000 employees went to zero because all they have to do is buy and license the digital camera, and then everybody would be paying them. They didn't do that. Okay? So understand that. So that's what's coming. It's coming. It doesn't matter what you believe. It's coming. It doesn't matter if Google sits there and says, we're not going to use AI for search. It's coming. They will go to shit. It's coming. Okay? NVIDIA's chips are going to be throughout the whole universe. It's coming. Okay? So just understand that. When you understand that, then you see. Now, you got CNBC telling you every day everything is overvalued. Okay. It's okay. Let it come down. I'm completely good with that. Because when it runs, Microsoft's going to have a 20-point day. When it runs, Adobe is going to have back-to-back 25-point days. When it runs, Avago is going to move 50 points and 50 points. Maybe not this week. Maybe not next week. But when it starts, it's going to move. And things have to make sense. So when you tell me on TV, well, things are getting worse. I mean, yesterday, something I heard this morning, it's the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. It's good that Putin's still in power. These guys are saying it's good that Putin's still in power. Really? Can you imagine this? This guy that did this, now we want him to stay in power, so we want to keep feeding money to Ukraine for the next 100 years. We want this war to go on for the next 100 years and let him stay in power. Can't even make this stuff up. Can't make this stuff up. Okay? Because they're saying, oh, the worst of two evils. You can't make this stuff up, guys. Okay? Now, somebody told me SMCI is going to make $11. I'm not sure. I need to go look. If somebody knows, let me know. If they can go pull the earnings estimates at $11. I don't know. Wow, that's a lot. $11. And where did they come from? $11 times, say, 30p high grower, it should be $330. And if they guide up. Okay? So but today is all about snow. But then tomorrow, I believe it's tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, it's all about Micron. And Micron will drive Lam Research up or down 50. It's going to go up or down 50. Wow. Then we see. And that will dictate tech. Look, if you believe NVIDIA is real, you believe everybody's coming into it, you believe all the infrastructure that has to be built, then you need 8x the memory. Very straightforward. Now, it's okay to say I don't think AI is coming in this quarter. Maybe it's coming in 2 quarters or 3 quarters. Okay, that's fine. Don't have a problem with that. But if you tell me AI isn't coming at all, then everybody needs to short your stock. Very straightforward. Okay? That's what I know. That's what I know. Anything else? Anybody have to think? Audio goes in and out. Sorry. I will try and take care of that. Okay? And there are only a few people who can implement it. Absolutely. News. Lilly up $5. Lilly continues to move. Very strong stock. Okay? So, but today you want to see the techs move. If the techs don't get better, then you're in for another week like last week and let it break. But here's the thing. The market goes down every day. It goes down 30, 40, 50. It comes back, and you're still at 34.50. Jesus. I mean 43.50. Right? Amazing. So MU is Wednesday. Okay. So that's what we know. That's what we know. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. 626. Stocks go up, stocks go down. I think SPX was up 11. Then it was down like 3, and now it's down 50 cents. Okay? But here's the thing. I think a lot of companies have gotten greedy. Oh, one other thing. Let me tell you one other thing. I went to Walmart yesterday, and I came home, and I did some searches on Tom Thumb, which is a big supermarket here, Tom Thumb, Safeway. They're owned by Safeway. And the prices at Walmart were the same as Tom Thumb or higher. Wow. So what is Walmart doing? Got to figure this out. Is Walmart going to miss that bad that they raised all their prices? They raised all their prices. All of them. I mean, it's disgusting how high Walmart's gotten. Look, Walmart, you go in, it's not as clean as Tom Thumb. They don't have the produce and the meat and everything else half as good as Tom Thumb or Safeway. And it's just not as good. It's like saying you're going to pay the same amount for a Central Market or a Whole Foods as you would at Walmart. So they're doing something. Either they're going to miss and they raise their prices trying to do that, or they're saying we're going to rip people off till we can. So just know that. That's out there. That's happening. Did they raise them all? They're higher than Target. Target prices at the grocery store were always 50 cents higher. So they're higher than Target now. So they're just saying, oh, people aren't going to Target. They're pissed at them, so let's raise prices. I don't know. Okay? But just keep in mind that that's happening. Okay? Okay. Back to the thing. So let's get started. SPX, about even. You have 43.72, 43.91, 44.09, big number. Downside, 43.09, big number. Avago needs 888 is a beast, but it needs a 30-point day, and it needs to gap up 10 to be playable. So don't force trades. Okay? Downside, 792. NVIDIA. So he talks tonight. What does he say? Then we see. They didn't do anything at the shareholder meeting. He said good stuff, but didn't give you no numbers. Okay, and nobody knows if next quarter is going to be as good as this quarter or better. So you just have to understand that. Okay? Understand. Okay? You got 441 is the next big number, 441. Okay? Keep an eye on that. Meta continues to move very, very strong, 292, 299. Lam Research, 632, 651. We'll move on Micron. CMG, couldn't get through 2100. Now, I actually like 2100s for earnings, but they're stupid price, $30. Who's going to pay that? Okay? Unbelievable. Can't even play it. Okay? Deere. So, Deere. If you're going to have a recession, then Deere should be at 360. If you're not, it should be at 440. Now, here's the thing. Caterpillar is down 13. Caterpillar and Deere generally move in tandem, close to tandem. One is up, one is down. Doesn't make any sense. Keep an eye on it. Either Cat has to go up 10 or Deere has to come down 20. One of them. UPSD, 39 beast. Snowman, 192, 206. Adobe, 521 beast. Pan W, 256. Zscaler, 151. MDB, 402. Netflix, 432, 451. Google, 118 down, 124 up. AI, 31, 27 down, 38, 42 up. SMCI, 242. Wait, 242, it's way up there. NOW, 572. Microsoft, 341. Amazon, 131, 136. Tesla, 281. Wait, chill, wait, relax, breathe. Okay? That's what we know, that's what we know, that's what we know. And that's what we got. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.